Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firyal Nidaan Khofiyya. My student number is 222-322-0080 and I'm from class 6C. Here I will provide comments on the learning video about English material for class 10. The title is Talking About Self. So, this video is about introducing ourselves and others in English. The teacher explained what kind of personal information we can share, like our name, age, and address, and gives useful expressions to introduce ourselves. She also teach how to introduce someone else and explain the difference between self-introduction and introducing others. First of all, the explanation is very clear. The teacher breaks down self-introduction into simple steps, making it easy to follow. She also provides practical expressions that students can use in real-life conversations. Another thing I like is that she used both Bahasa Indonesia and English. This really helps students, especially beginners, to understand the lesson better. They don't feel overwhelmed because the explanation is in a language they are familiar with. I also appreciate that the teacher gives examples and demonstrates how to introduce oneself. Seeing real examples makes it easier for students to remember and practice the expressions correctly. And lastly, the teacher adds a bit of humor which makes the lesson more engaging and not too serious. This helps students feel more comfortable while learning. Even though the video is well structured, there are a few things that could be improved. First, I feel that the explanation is a bit too fast. Some students might find it difficult to process the information quickly. If the teacher slowed down a little and gave more pauses, it would help students understand better. Second, the lesson would be more effective with some interaction. For example, the teacher could ask students questions, encourage them to repeat the phrases, or even include a small exercise for practice. Right now, it feels more like a one-way explanation. Lastly, I noticed that the teacher sometimes glances at her notes. It's completely fine to use notes, but making the delivery more natural without looking too often would make the lesson feel more engaging and confident. Overall, this is a useful and well-explained lesson. The teacher did a great job in covering the key points of self-introduction. With a slightly slower pace, more student interaction, and a smoother delivery, the video could be even more engaging and effective. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.